Hey guys, I'm Erik Perkins. Welcome to another bonus video. And I always love this time of the week, Friday afternoon. Sit down, make a little bonus video with some extra information for you guys. Right now, I'm at 120 Main Street, this project house that my brother and the crew have been working on with our downtime on the other project. And if you're not following that series of renovating a 100-year-old house on our YouTube channel, you gotta check it out. There's lots of good construction information because Jamie is a real contractor. So while he's fixing this house up, he's trying to do it right. So check that out if you're not. As far as bonus stuff goes, I wanted to give you guys a little more info about the project, Modern Mountain Getaway. And I thought we'd share some information on cost of the mechanical systems that I was just hanging out with those guys this week, as these guys told you. So far, we've been billed $6,000 for our heat and air. And that's for a zoned system that has one inside unit, one outside unit, and multiple zones with mechanical dampers. The total cost, once they've trimmed everything out, done, will be about $11,000. Now, it could go up from there because you can get higher SEER ratings on the outside unit that would make it more efficient. So that's just kind of a medium range SEER rating on that unit. Secondly, the plumbing. Up to this point, to rough in the slab, which is under the concrete, drain lines, and then top it out, which is the drain lines and the supply lines. For the rest of the house, $4,700 so far, but that number will go up, of course, because we haven't trimmed out. The trim out will include setting the tubs, setting the toilets, hooking up all the faucets, that type of thing. So that number will go up as well by the end, but so far, $4,700. And lastly, electrical. We're looking at about $6,200 material and labor so far, and we still have to do the trim out on that and buy all the light fixtures. So that one goes way up because we still have to buy fans, can trims, vanity lights, all the switches, that kind of thing. So that's where we're at with the cost on this 1,000 square foot build on those items. All right, other news, some exciting things going on with us. Next week, we're gonna be filming with the Propane Council. They're coming with a whole production crew, which we've never had. All we've had is this cell phone that I'm using right now. So it's gonna be exciting for us to shoot some commercials for the Propane Council, and we'll be sort of their spokespeople. And what's cool is the person we're kind of, taking this job from is Matt Reisinger, and you might have heard of him. He has his own YouTube channel, and he's kind of famous. We're not, and he's like a construction scientist. We're not. But check his channel out if you don't already watch it. He has some great stuff on there about construction science, how to build stuff better that will last longer and that kind of thing. So that's number two. And along those lines, we actually got interviewed for 2 separate HGTV shows in the last few weeks. My brother and I were on Zoom or whatever with people from Hollywood twice. So you may be seeing us on real TV in a year or something. We'll see. We'll see if they call us back. The interview went like this. I was like, hey, I'm Erik Perkins. You guys should pick us or you're idiots. No, I didn't say that, but I should have. I think that's about it. I'm just going to hang out here. I got to do some checkbook stuff, pay some more bills, of course, and I'm going to the house. I'm going to call it a Friday afternoon. Done. Thanks for watching our bonus video, and thanks for watching all the videos. If you've enjoyed our videos, please remember to subscribe and like the videos, and that does help us out, by the way. We'll see you next time.